What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own logo for your lip gloss. First, you're going to go into the app called PixArt and choose a white background. And this part is probably the easiest. So in this app, you're just going to create your own logo, use the text button at the bottom, type in your name, type in your company's name, and just customize it to whatever font, color, shape, size you want it to be. So here you see me typing in M.McClendon Cosmetics. That's the name of my brand. That's the name of the logo that'll be on my lip gloss. And for this, I went to the stickers icon at the bottom and typed in lips. And then I also went to the stickers icon and typed in a crown and added that to my logo as well. So this is probably the easiest part. You're just customizing it to your liking and making sure that it's perfect. Once you're done making sure that everything is perfect, you're going to double check it, make sure everything is spelled correctly. And then you're going to click the apply button at the top, then next, and then you're going to save it. After saving your creation, you're going to go into Safari and go to stickerapp.com. This is where you're going to input your design. You're going to click square. Well, that's the type of shape I use. I use square. And then I customize my size to 1.5 by 1 so that the sticker can so that it can fit my lip gloss. And then you have different types of material. Depending on what material you pick, the price goes up. I use clear stickers and it allows you to get 135 pieces for only $26. During this part, you just upload your image. Picking my image now. Then I stretch it out to fill up those gray boxes. Just stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. And then center it and make sure that it's perfect. And then I readjust the width and the height because it changed when I was stretching the image. And then once you continue to stretch it, you just double check your dimensions and make sure that everything is good. And then once you're done, that's it. You just save it and then you put in your shipping address, billing address, credit card information, and then there you go. You have your DIY logo stickers. And here is something. This is how mine came out. I got 130 pieces, and I used them on my wand tubes and my regular size tubes, and they fit perfectly. And I just love how they look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was really helpful. If you create your own, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And bye, guys.